Hey guys, this is Tim here. I'm getting with you to do a Win 12 amp review. It's an electric chainsaw, 12 amps. Comes with an Oregon blade and chain, and I've done a little bit so far, as you can see here, what I've got on the trailer so far. But I have to get all the way back here and cut all this tree up that got blown over in a storm. And if you can see, a second tree over there is also fallen. And when I'm done, I'll get back to you with a review and part 2. So, see you later, guys.